Ever heard the term buyer's market and seller's market and wondered what the hell does that actually mean? Let's break it down and explore the key differences so that you can understand which side of the market you're dealing with when buying and selling. Hi, I'm Chelsie. I'm your real estate expert serving Sonoma and Shasta counties. If you're buying or selling a home, understanding whether it's a buyer's market or a seller's market can really help you make the best decisions. Let me explain what these terms mean and how they're going to impact you. A buyer's market happens when there are more homes for sale than there are buyers. This means buyers have more options to choose from, and they typically have the upper hand in negotiations. Prices may be lower, houses may be sitting longer, and sellers may need to make concessions to attract buyers, like offering to cover closing costs or making repairs. In a buyer's market, you'll often see more inventory, which means plenty of homes to choose from, lower prices, sellers might be dropping their asking price to stay competitive, and more negotiating power for the buyer. A seller's market is the opposite. It happens when there are fewer homes available for sale, but more buyers looking to buy. This is where we've been for the last decade or so. This puts sellers in the driver's seat because they can often sell their home for a higher price with fewer conditions. This is when we start to see multiple offers, bidding wars, and home selling faster are common in a seller's market. In a seller's market, you'll often see less inventory, fewer homes available leading to more competition, higher prices, so homes often sell for close to or above the asking price with multiple offers, and less negotiating power for the buyers. They're just trying to make a competitive offer. Right now, we're experiencing more of a balanced market. Although we still don't have enough inventory to meet the buyer demand, we're seeing an uptick in inventory. We are about at the pre-pandemic levels, but still not enough inventory for the years of pent-up demand. But more importantly, due to current economic conditions, consumer uncertainty, and higher interest rates making affordability difficult, we are seeing more sellers offer concessions or credits to help buyers at the closing table. These concessions or credits can go towards closing fees, buying down the interest rate, down payment help, or making repairs. So while we're not necessarily seeing prices come down, we are seeing sellers help buyers offset some of the upfront costs. So whether you're buying or selling, understanding whether it's a buyer's market or a seller's market is key to making smart decisions. In a buyer's market, you might get a better deal, and in a seller's market, you might have to move quickly and be ready to offer more. Ready to begin buying or selling your home? I'd love to help you get started and ensure that you get the best deal. Reach out to me today, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone thinking about buying or selling some real estate.